Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you, the HYLOGY Blood Pressure Monitor. It is for your upper arms, and it is a blood pressure machine with large LED light-emitted diode touchscreen and voice broadcast system. It is adjustable. It has a large cuff with 2 users and 180 memories. It supports Type-C power supply and, of course, battery supply by using batteries. That means you can use it mobile and you can use it with a cable, a USB cable and your smartphone adapter, AC adapter for example. You have a large LED touchscreen. High precision chip of large LED touchscreen provides clinically accurate readings, giving the most exact systolic, diastolic pressure and pulse rate. The data by one touchable button and easy to read. The backlit screen with multicolored LED indicator lights. You can start it continuously. Press the start button 3 times to start the machine. Or not 3 times, 3 seconds I think. You have a clear voice broadcast on the device itself. The voice mode is available in this automatic blood pressure monitor. You can turn it on or off according to your needs. And clear voice broadcast is especially convenient for the elders. Advanced technology brings a more efficient and convenient life to you at home. Suitable for 2 users. Each user can store the last 90 readings, which helps you and your family to dynamically track and monitor your blood pressure values better. The magic cuff inflates around your entire arm to fit both regular and large-sized arms, like mine. It fits from 8.6 to 16.5 inches in circumferences. Units of kilopascal and millimeter Hg can be switched at your like, suitable for everyone's reading habit. And it's really easy to use. You have an arm blood pressure monitor here. This is for your professional family doctor. Oh, and you can be this doctor by your own head yourself. What is HYLOGY? HYLOGY is committed to healthcare and protecting our health with the highest quality products and comfortable services. It is the most professional family doctor and makes our lives more elegant. Oh, nice. You have a large touchable LED display, newly updated with important high-precision sensor chips and high-quality cuff. That monitor measures systolic, diastolic blood pressure and pulse rate by a single touchable button. The blood pressure value indicator and the irregular heart rate sensor will alert you in large backlit LED display with oversized numbers in case of a problem. You have a voice broadcast. After the measurement is completed, the blood pressure machine will automatically broadcast the measured values for you. You can turn the voice on or off based on your needs. The advanced technology brings you a more efficient and convenient life at home. The latest machine has added a unique confusion function between kilopascal and mmHg. This is European standard. Users are able to choose according to our user reading habits and stores up to 180 readings with data and time. We can track the results of the last 90 measurements and dynamically monitor of health. With a dual user measurement mode, it is tailored for you and your family out there. So get ready. Please keep quiet for 5 up to 10 minutes and avoid eating, drinking, smoking, exercising, and bathing before taking measurement. Then place the cuff flat on the table with the regular facing down. Pass the end of the cuff through the metal ring to form a circle. Then wrap the cuff around your arms as I'm showing you in this video, and make sure the lower edge of the cuff is about 2 up to 3 centimeters about to the elbow. The rubber tube is the body side of your arm. The cuff should be as tight as you can. Place 2 fingers between the cuff and the arm. Then take your position, put the cuff onto the left upper arm, and let the tube down to the direction of the hand. You can also do this on your right arm too. Secure the cuff with Velcro to make it more comfortable, but not too tight. And place your arm on the table so that the cuff is at the same level as your heart. Do not bend the tube. Then, after wearing the armband, please press start button. Then it will go on, and this will switch on the machine. After performing the both correct steps, please press the start button to measure, and you will get your blood pressure value within 1 minute on the large LED display. That is really easy. You can also make some setup devices by using the buttons, the touch buttons. You can use the set button. If you push them for 3 seconds, you can choose player number 1 or player number 2. If you press and hold the set button, you can also go to the setup for your kilopascal setup and the voice setup. If you press the memory button, you can switch between all stored data. And if you push mem for 3 of up to 5 seconds and then the set button at the same time after 3 seconds, it will delete all in it. So, but for a good pressure measurement, you only will need to start in the stop key. And this is the button in the center. Push it. The device will go on and start the measurement process. If you do not like it, stop it at all of the days or time. So it is really easy to handle, and it has accuracy measurement, I think, because my value here is really nice. And I'm fat. Oh yeah. That it is, HYLOGY Blood Pressure Monitor for your upper arm. This is a machine with large LED touchscreen and voice broadcast. It is adjustable large cuff with 2 users and 180 memories, and it supports the Type-C power and batteries. So thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.